तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा तू रात दीवानी मैं जर्द सितारा
नानी आप कितने दूर चले गए। मैं आपको कितना मिस कर रहा हूँ। और नानू कब लॉकडाउन जाएगा, हम लोग कभी मिलेंगे। हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी नानू और नानी। आई मिस यू, आई लव यू।
Happy anniversary, mom and dad. Love you.
Hello, Mummy Papa. Happy Ruby anniversary to both of you. May God bless you.
Happy anniversary, Nani and Nanu. May the God bless you. Anniversary. Love you.
Papa, Mama, happy anniversary. May Lord bless you with healthy, wealthy life. It's a big journey, and I'm happy you have crossed such a big journey. Looking forward for the 50th one, which we will celebrate with a bang and a boom. Love you both. God bless you with all the happiness of the world.
Love you.
Love you.
We love you.
Hi Bao, hi Didi. Wish you a happy 40th wedding anniversary.
God bless you all.
Wish you all the best.
Radha Swami, happy anniversary Ramesh Bhaiya, Geeta Bhabhi, God bless you.
Ramesh, Geeta, happy anniversary. God bless you.
स्वामी शादी जूं लख लख वाधायूं चयव 40 साल पूरा कया अथव ॿियो ॿुधायो सभु ठीकु आहे हैप्पी रहो सभु
रमेश गीता हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी गॉड ब्लेस यू ॿियो कीअं आहे सभु ठीकु आहे वाधायूं हुजनि भाई शादीअ जूं 40 साल कीअं गॾु कटिया अथव ख़बर ई कोन्हे
शादी के लड्डू में आज भी इतनी मिठास है। हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी।
Radha Swami,
Radha Swami,
wish you both a very, very happy wedding anniversary.
wish you both a very, very, very happy wedding anniversary.
Stay blessed.
Stay blessed.
Alright, take care.
Radha Swami.
Radha Swami. Bye.
Hi, Radha Swami Ramesh Mama. Hi, Radha Swami Geeta Mami. Happy wedding anniversary. God bless you both.
Enjoy.
Radha Swami Bha, Radha Swami Chachi. Happy 40th wedding anniversary. Stay blessed always.
Hello, Geeta and Ramesh. Happy anniversary. God bless you.
Hi Ramesh and Geeta. Happy Ruby anniversary to both of you all. May God bless you and all the best in life from both of us.
गीता रमेश तामिनी खे 40 साल थी विया त शादी जूं वाधायूं हुजनि सदाई ख़ुशि हुजो खिलंदा रहो पाण में मिली करे ख़ुशीअ सां हलंदा रहो
भाई गीता रमेश ॿिन्ही खे वाधायूं बेशुमार वाधायूं तव्हां 40 साल पूरा कया हिक ॿिए खे बर्दाश्त कयो अथव वाधायूं अथव ख़ुशि हुजो आबाद हुजो सदाई मुस्कुराईंदा रहो खिलंदा रहो कुटंदा रहो जय 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 डन 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 डन
Hi Geeta. Hi Ramesh Jiju. Happy 40th anniversary. 40 years is a milestone. Good wishes to the best couple I have been admiring since my childhood. I know you both are away from each other. I wish this lockdown gets over and you guys meet soon and celebrate this love moment once again. Stay blessed. Love you.
Hi everybody. Ramesh Ramaswamy, Geeta Ramaswamy. Happy wedding anniversary to you. Both may God bless you. Have a nice day. Always be happy. Have a good day. Enjoy a good day. May God bless you.
Happy anniversary, Chacha and Chachi. Wish you all the best. Stay safe and take care. Tanji saal giraji lakh lakh wadayu. Na crore ji wadayu. Take care. Wear your mask. Bye bye.
शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक हो.
Happy anniversary, Bua and Fufachi. Happy anniversary, Bua.
शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक हो.
राधा स्वामी, हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी मेरी और एकता की तरफ से. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. टेक केयर.
Hari Om Ramesh Bha and Geeta Chachi, a very happy anniversary to you.
Hi. Happy 40th anniversary, Chocolatey Nani and Nano.
Hello Choti Bua, and wishing you a very happy 40th wedding anniversary to you and to Ramesh uncle. May you all always be healthy and happy together. And now over to Sujit.
Wish you very happy wedding anniversary. Many more to come. Obviously we'll look forward to 50th one and even beyond that. Take care. God bless both of you. Stay safe.
40th
Anniversary.
Ramesh.
Geeta Bhabi.
God bless you both.
We all love you. All love you. Happy anniversary.
Hi Masi, hi Jiju. Happy anniversary to you guys. I hope you have a great year. Stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to smile.
Congratulations and celebrations. We wish you a happy 40th anniversary. Congratulations and celebrations. We wish you a happy 40th anniversary.
Happy wedding anniversary to Masi and Jiju.
God bless you. Enjoy your day.
7 फेरों से बंधा जन्मों का ये बंधन, प्यार से जोड़ा है रब ने प्रीत का दामन. है नई रस्में, नई कस्में, नई उलझन. 7 फेरों से बंधा जन्मों का ये बंधन, प्यार से जोड़ा है रब ने प्रीत का दामन. शादी है अरेंज हमारी, स्टोरी भी है स्ट्रेंज हमारी. देख तेरी मेरी जोड़ी आहे भरती दुनिया सारी. शादी है अरेंज हमारी.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, uncle. Happy birthday, Bahu. Happy wedding anniversary to both uncle and auntie. Happy wedding anniversary, Ramesh and
Radha Swami. Happy anniversary, Ramesh Geeta. Stay home, stay safe.
Wedding anniversary, Mama, Papa. I love you.
Wish you happy marriage anniversary.
Geeta and Ramesh. God bless you all.
गीता रमेश शादी है साथ लखा लखा वादाई. We love you.
Hi Geeta and Ramesh. A very happy marriage anniversary to you both. How are you? May God bless you all. May the Lord Almighty fulfill all your wishes. How is Deepa and her husband and the cute child Kabir? Anyway, enjoy your special day. I'm very happy for you. Do visit us whenever you are in Mumbai.
हेलो रमेश भाई एंड गीता बेन, दोनों को 40वीं शादी की सालगिरह बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. प्यार करते रहो, प्यार की बरसात होती रहे, जिंदगी यूं ही गुजरती रहे. सुख दुख के साथी बनो और खूब शांति से आगामी जीवन आपका पसार हो. यही शुभ कामना के साथ तेरी सहेली देसाई और मिस्टर देसाई.
Happy anniversary, auntie and uncle. May God bless you. Many more to come. Enjoy your day.
Happy anniversary, Nani and Nanu. Many was to come. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Happy anniversary, Didi and Dada. Many many happy returns of the day. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000.
Happy anniversary, uncle and auntie. Many, many more to come. We are waiting for the 50th anniversary and then we'll have a grand party.
Happy Ruby anniversary, auntie. Many more years of togetherness and lots of love. Enjoy your quarantine period and enjoy this lockdown, auntie. I'm so sorry that you guys are separate for this anniversary, but you'll have good and lots of memory. Create them and enjoy, cherish them throughout the life. We miss you.
Happy anniversary, uncle and auntie.
Happy anniversary, auntie and uncle. God bless you and wish you both a lot many more years of love and togetherness.
Happy anniversary, Kabir Nana Nani.
And Diansh, what do you want to say?
Happy anniversary, Nana Nani.
Diansh, where do you want to go? Where you want to go?
Where do you want to go?
Tata.
Okay, let's sing.
Happy anniversary
to you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary, dear
Uncle
Kabir Nana Nani. Happy anniversary to you.
Happy anniversary, Uncle Auntie. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, uncle auntie.
Happy anniversary, Uncle Auntie. May God bless.
Hello, Uncle Auntie. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, uncle auntie.
Happy anniversary, Uncle Auntie.
We wish you a ruby anniversary with lot of love and happiness to both of you.
Happy anniversary, Uncle and Auntie.
नानू और नानी ये परफॉर्मेंस आपके लिए
Slow it down.
very big kissy bus